How to fix disabled Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is check the rules and regulation of Instagram, whether you have violated any terms of condition of Instagram. In that case, Instagram might disable your account. You'll need to wait for a few days and then your account can be recovered. Likewise, you can follow these solutions. Navigate to this website and in the search box type in Instagram account disabled. Select any of these options. Now scroll down and select the option. Was this helpful? No. Now here you'll need to briefly explain about the issue and then submit it. After you submit this, Instagram support team will get back to you. Likewise, when you try to log in your Instagram account, you'll see the option appeal or something similar. Click the link and fill out the form. Tell Instagram who you are, your email address, and explain why your account should come back. Be honest, polite, and keep it short. After you send your appeal, you'll need to wait. It might take hours or a few days. Don't send lots of messages. That just slows things down. So these are the ways to recover your Instagram disabled account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.